Hi, today we are going to talk about Toyota Alphard Vellfire door lock settings. Okay, let's start with the feedback light and sound. I unlock. There's no light and it doesn't come with the beep sound. You can turn it on and off. Let's turn it on. I'll show you how. Go to menu, set up, vehicle, customization. All the door lock settings are here. Lock unlock feedback lights and volume. Just now was off. Now I turn it on. And the volume. Okay. Now the feedback lights is on and the volume is on. How about the smart entry system? I try turn it off. Alright, now let's try lock the car. Okay, now the beeps and the lights are on. And just now we already turned off the smart entry and start system. It means that you have to use the key to unlock the car. And if you want to start the car, you are not able to start it, you need to put the key near the push start button. So now we turn on the smart entry system. Okay, now that the smart entry system is on, I don't have to press the unlock button. And also, we don't have to put the key near to the push start button. Now we already turn on the smart entry system, feedback lights and volume. Now we try auto lock unlock by shift from P and to P. Okay, you get into the car, the door is unlocked now and you're at P position. Let's shift to D or reverse. You will lock yourself. And when you shift to P, it unlock, lock, unlock. So this is the auto lock and unlock from P or to P. And how about the speed sensitive auto locking? By turning it on, but some might think that when you shift away from P, it's already locked. So do we still need this? Actually yes. For example, you are in drive position. You need to pick up someone or drop off someone. So you manually unlock the door. When someone gets in or gets out, and you continue your journey. So when it's reached certain speed, the door will lock itself. So it's still useful. Okay, and the last one, auto lock by driver door. What is this? Okay, I'll show you. Now it's off, right? And all the cars are locked. And I off the engine. When I get down, so only the driver's door is unlocked. others remain locked. Let's turn on now. Okay. Okay. When I open the door, not only the driver's door is unlocked, it's all the door will unlock. Try and see. See. It's already unlocked. Okay, that's all for today. Not the best out there, but I hope the information is good enough for you, and please give me a thumbs up and share. Thanks.